Hey everyone, this is Sean from Sean's DIY and Reviews, and I wanted to show you how to make a green screen background like this with just some PVC pipe. You can achieve this kind of background like I'm showing you here with the black background as well as the green one. On this channel, we do DIY type of things around the house like this, as well as reviewing products like electronics and that type of thing. So if that's something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you learned something on this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so we're at our hardware store here, and they have 1/2-inch pipe, but it's definitely too thin. It would bend way too easily for to go across the top, so that's not gonna be good. But the 3/4 is definitely good. So it comes in 10-foot lengths. So I think we could just get 3 of those and get some couplers. We'll definitely be able to do that. We'll bring all these pieces home and we'll show you how to set it up. So the T-shape connectors here happen to be less expensive than the 90-degree ones. So while we could use the 90-degree ones on either side and on the bottom, might as well just use the cheaper one. Again, it's only 3 cents, but who cares? So I'm gonna put one on this end, one on the other end, and this will be my crossbar. And then my bar is going down on either side. And then on the bottom, I'll screw this down and the other piece will come up. So once we put it together, you'll see. All right, so to put this whole thing together, what you will need is a tape measure. You will need this PVC pipe cutter, and I got this at Harbor Freight, and I think I paid like $5 or $6 for it, and I used it for one of my other videos as well. So I'll put a link to where you can get one of these, but you know, they're inexpensive. And if you've seen my video on the stabilizer that I made, I'll put a link to that as well, so you can go back and see that. So I've used this for a number of things, and it might be a worthwhile investment. Also got 2 pieces of wood. I'm going to determine the length, so I'm going to cut those 2. Once you're done cutting your boards to an even length, I made them 31 inches each, because basically bring these 2 in half is essentially what it was. And then get a couple screws here in your screw gun. Make sure you get a pilot. I would drill a pilot hole in the bottom of this. I'm going to screw these down here, so this will be our base. So because these PVC pipes are 10 feet, what I decided to do is cut them to 7 feet. This way the remaining amount is 3 feet. So I'll have 3 lengths of 3 feet, which if you put 2 of them together with a coupler, you can get a 6-foot length. So in case you wanted to kind of, you know, mix and match or do different sizes, I thought that might be a good way to go. So let's go ahead and cut our first measure and cut our first length. All right, so basically the way this works is like a pair of scissors. You wrap it around the pipe where you want it to be, and then you just squeeze. The other thing you can do, but I probably won't, is spray paint these. Okay, cutting my second piece. So other than putting the green screen or the blank, you know, the curtain, whatever you might be, we're done here. So there's the piece of wood. There it goes up 7 feet and across, and then down here, down to the bottom. All we have to do is open the end and slide the curtain or background onto here that drapes down, and you're all set.